Have you ever felt like you're not seen? When you do hard work and it goes unnoticed, it can be very discouraging. You work day in and day out, and it can be frustrating when you pour your heart and soul into work and you don't seem to get any recognition or acknowledgement. You think to yourself, you got to keep putting that best foot forward, and eventually all your hard work will be seen. It's easy to start doubting yourself and wondering if all this hard work is really worth it, especially when you have clients and leaders who don't see what you do. The truth is, though, that even if it doesn't seem like they see it, people are definitely taking notice of your hard work. Now, maybe there is even some acknowledgement, but it's just not what you thought it would be. I've been there, and I felt all of these things. During parts of my career, I didn't feel seen at all. I felt like I was working my heart out, churning out great processes, procedures, projects, and the leaders I was working with and for did not see what I was doing, or worse, they claimed the work as their own. I felt like I was just not being seen. I found many years later that maybe there were acknowledgments and compliments in my work, but they were often expressed in ways that I could not receive them. Ever felt that way? I love my action items. So I'm going to put an action item here. I'm Leanne Bonnell. I help people be seen, heard, valued, and understood. And I invite you to a free workshop where we will be discussing being seen and how to move your life to one that you deserve. And we're going to do that with my 3 pillars of abundance. You will learn how mindset, boundaries, and that itty bitty committee that's living in your head are the foundation for creating massive and powerful impact. So please go to leanneclass.com, or you can click on the Eventbrite link right below and reserve your spot now. Please take a moment to register because space is limited. And I look forward to seeing you there.